Hi there, detective. Are you ready for a brand new mission? Today we're going to level up your Japanese sentences. Get your magnifying glass ready because we're diving into the world of Magic Glue Mission. Let's go. Wait. Before we start, look at this. If we just say apple, eat, the words fall apart. Oh no, it doesn't make sense. To make a perfect sentence, we need magic glue. In Japanese, these are called particles. They stick words together so they stay perfectly in place. Let's see how they work. Our first glue is the blue glue.
を
This is the object marker. Use it for things you can touch, eat, or watch. For example,
りんごを食べます。りんごを食べます。
eating an apple, or
テレビを見ます。テレビを見ます。
watching TV. If you're doing something to an object,
を
is your best friend. Next is the red glue.
に
Think of this as the pointing glue. Use your finger to point at a specific time or a destination on a map. Like this.
7時に起きます。7時に起きます。
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Or
学校に行きます。学校に行きます。
I go to school. Point at the spot and use
に particle え
the direction glue. Now, let's look at the yellow glue.
え
This is the heading to marker. Use this when you are moving toward a goal, like your cozy house.
うちへ帰ります。うちへ帰ります。
Heading towards home. Here's a secret detective tip. It's written as
へ
but it sounds like
え
don't let it trick you.
で
The action station glue. Finally, we have the green glue.
で
This marks the action station. It tells us where the party is happening. Are you playing at the park? That's
公園で遊びます。公園で遊びます。
are you studying at the library?
図書館で勉強します。図書館で勉強します。
If there's an action going on,
で
the place to be. Look at this sentence. Watashi wa hachiji okimasu. There's a piece of magic glue missing. Remember your training, we are pointing at a specific time on the clock. Which magic glue should we use to point at 8 o'clock? The answer is A, because
に
is our pointing glue for time.
私は8時に起きます。私は8時に起きます。
Look at this sentence.
私は昼ごはん食べます。私は昼ごはん食べます。
There's a gap between the lunch and the action. We need some magic glue to stick them together. Think about your training. Hiru gohan, lunch, is the thing you are eating. It's your target. Which magic glue do we use for the object we eat or touch? Is it the object glue, the pointing glue, the action station glue, or the topic glue? Did you solve the mystery? The answer is,
A
because we are eating lunch, we need the object glue
を
to stick it to the verb.
私は昼ごはんを食べます。私は昼ごはんを食べます。
Look at this sentence.
私は学校勉強します。私は学校勉強します。
School is a place, but wait, what are you doing there? You are studying. That's a big action. Think back to your training. When we talk about a place where an action is happening, we need our action station glue. Which one should we use? Is it the pointing glue, used for just going to a place? The object glue? The action station glue? Or the topic glue? The answer is
C.
great job. Since school is the station where you are doing the action of studying, we use D.
で、私は学校で勉強します。私は学校で勉強します。
Look at this sentence.
私は家帰ります。私は家帰ります。
You've finished your training and now you are moving toward your favorite place, your home. Think about your training. When you are moving toward a goal or a destination, which magic glue should you use? Is it the pointing glue, the object glue, the action station glue, or the topic glue? The answer is,
A.
wait, did some of you think of
え
you are correct too? In Japanese, for your destination, you can use
に
to point at the spot or
え
to show the direction.
私は家に帰ります。私は家に帰ります。
Great work, detective. Time to relax at home. Look at this. This sentence has two gaps. It's a double mission. The sentence is,
私は図書館、本、読みます。私は図書館、本、読みます。
we have a place, Toshokan library, and an object, hon book. Let's solve the first mystery. Toshokan, is the library just a spot on the map, or is it where the action of reading is happening? That's right, it's your action station. Which glue do we need for the action station? Now, the second mystery, hon. The book is the thing you are reading. It's your target. Which glue marks the object you are reading? The answer is B,
図書館で
because that's the action station, and honwo, because that's the target you're reading.
私は図書館で本を読みます。私は図書館で本を読みます。
Double mission accomplished. You are becoming a Japanese grammar genius. This sentence has two big clues to find. The sentence is,
私は8時学校行きます。私は8時学校行きます。
let's solve the first mystery. Hachiji. 8 o'clock is a specific time. Remember your pointing finger? Which magic glue do we use to point at the clock? Now the second mystery,
学校
school is your destination. You are moving toward that spot on the map. Which glue points to where you are going? Did you solve the double mystery? The answer is A. That's right. We use
に
to point at the time, and we use
に
to point at the school. It's the double pointing glue.
私は8時に学校に行きます。私は8時に学校に行きます。
Fantastic job, detective. You've mastered the art of pointing. Mission accomplished. We have a delicious double mission. The sentence is,
私は家、昼ごはん食べます。私は家、昼ごはん食べます。
we have a place,
家、
home, and an object,
昼ごはん、
lunch. First, let's look at,
家、
is home just a spot you are pointing at, or is it your action station where you are eating? That's right. Since you are doing the action of eating there, it's an action station. Which glue do we need for that? Next, the second mystery. Hirugohan. The lunch is the thing you are eating. It's your target. Which glue sticks the action to the target? Did you crack the code? The answer is A, de, and wo, de, because that's your action station, and hirugohan, bo, because that's the target you're eating.
私は家で昼ごはんを食べます。私は 家で昼ご飯を食べます。
Perfectly stuck. You're getting so good at this, detective. Mission accomplished.